All right, guys, we got the RX7 out finally to do Let's Hear It. This time around, we're going to keep it pretty simple. So this thing's just got a Racing Beats full system on it. We did go ahead and delete, see if you can see this here. We got a rear muffler delete on this. But otherwise, this is a full Racing Beats system. This is an S4 GTU, so NA. We're going to document what it sounds like before we get this thing turbocharged this winter. But yeah, so what we're going to do, we're going to keep it simple this time. We're going to do a startup, we're going to do revs, we're going to do the drive-by audio, we're going to do the in-cabin on the drive-by wide open, and then we're just going to do some regular driving in there. So it's going to be short, simple, hopefully gets you guys what you need. We're always messing with the formula, but let's jump in it. All right, everyone, so hopefully that got you what you needed. If you want to do one of these, hit us up on Facebook. You can shoot us an email at theoegarage@gmail.com. We love doing these things, so if you want to reach out, we'll definitely film your car. Super fun little thing to do. So other than that, guys, until the next one.